Hello guys, good day, good afternoon, good morning, whatever time you're seeing this, whatever time I posted this video. I'm gonna be showing you how I make this closure wig using the sewing machine. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe. I'm new to this thing, so see you with me. Anyway, without no further ado, let's get right into the video. See ya. So all you need for this is your bundles, of course, your closure, your scissors. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use these clippers yet. Your T-pins, a mesh dome cap, a metallic Sharpie silver, a 2-inch elastic band, a sectioning clip, the canvas head. This is a 21-inch nylon thread for the sewing machine, and regular ear thread to sew on the closure with your hands, and the needle. Oh, and the sewing machine. So I'm using the Brother sewing machine, and I have it in the zigzag pattern number 3, and I'm using a presser foot that I got off Amazon. This one is an open presser foot, so I could like see the tracks, and then the other presser foot that came on the machine, it normally rests on top of the track, so it give it a bulk. So this is the secret part that is closed. So I'm going to lay the tracks side by side, not on top of each other, because it's going to be too thick, and when it's side by side, that's where the zigzag joins them together. I'm sewing it on the cap, then I sew the same place, so where didn't sew properly, when I put it on the track, then it's sew properly, if that makes sense. Together like that, and then I keep watching the ends if they're even. Also, and I do sew one track at a time, because some bundles are more than others, depends on the company or brand or whatever. So I just sew one track at a time together to see what I'm working with. So if I have to sew like single tracks in the top. and then I sew the tracks together so that the wig is full, and I have less tracks to sew on the wig, and that it doesn't get like too small. To keep it on the side. You could go slower if you want. So this is what it looked like. Let me see if you see. So the thread, join them together side by side. Yep. So first I'm going to remove this part of the sewing machine. I'm gonna skip this track because I don't like sewing that much on the elastic, because if anything I want the back to stretch to fit my head. And when I'm drawing it on the cap, it normally tends to go that way, but when I'm sewing it on the machine, I kind of keep it straight like that way instead. But somehow I always draw it like that. I don't know why. Trim this up. So I place the tracks on the cap, then I'm gonna start sewing. The front always give me problem like that, but just kind of ease it up. Press it back down, start sewing again, then back stitch. Always want to try sewing between these tracks so that nothing like unravels, because we're gonna cut the track. So you want to like keep straightening the cap. Part, and then you're gonna like cut the track. I have a smaller scissors, but I don't know, I cut like a snacks for my daughter with it, and I don't know where I put it after that. Probably put it far from her, and then I don't remember where the hell I put it. So you're gonna continue stitch to the end. Then this part on the machine, let me see if I can show you guys. Yeah, that button, this, that's what I press to back stitch. If you guys don't know how to use the machine, back stitch, forward again to secure the track. Yeah, so it does unravel. So the first track is in. I'll show you like 2 more or 3 more times, then I'll continue until I get to the top. Then I show you how to crossway and stuff like that, so the video is not too long. So I place back my cap, then the tracks again. Try to find the end. I put the tracks this way so I could see where I'm sewing, like instead of like that way, because I want to keep sewing in the middle so it's like double secure. Yeah, so I place it on the end, ice the needle, you gotta like clip these. You can clip these at the end, but place my track, start sewing, back stitch, continue. I don't stretch the cap too much because that will let it shrink. I just like try to keep it straight as possible, like no pleat. That's what I do. Like I just straighten the cap. You can stretch it, but not too much. I just try to keep it straight. Yep. I clip it. Yep. Continue stitching, then back stitch. Continue. Now we're done with that track. So much easier, faster than hands. Then our next track. I'm not sure how the editing is gonna go, so I try to like video in short so I could join them, that if I don't know how to cut over or to voice over or whatever. That's why I'm talking while I'm doing it. It will get better. I'm not really nervous, but I speak patois, so I'm trying to keep it. I'm trying to speak like as properly as I can, so like others can understand me. So I'm like that. And then I talk when the machine is stopped, so that the machine is not like taking away from my voice. So the ear is over though. Well, the presser foot, so just gotta fix that. Just try to keep it straight. When I'm sewing here in my hand, it takes a whole day, very long. The machine, less than 2 hours, less including like the stitching with my hands, or 1 hour, because it's pretty fast and I'm recording and doing everything at the same time. So back stitch, cut, it's the reason why I cut before I get this far, because I don't want it to be too awkward or I have to cut too much of the hair. Come forward again. That's it. Ice and pull and cut. And that's 3 track. Actually it's 6 because they're doubled. And if you look on the inside, it is so neat. So neat. I'll cut that right here. Okay, so I'm going to turn off the camera and stitch these 3 tracks. 1, 2, 3. It's the same. If you guys want like how I thread the needle or string a needle and fill the bobbin and stuff like that, let me know so I could like make a video and like set it and stuff like that. Stitch forward, I keep it straight so there's no pleats. Keep it flat. I'm gonna backstitch on this part too. Then I'm gonna join it. Yep. It doesn't have to join like directly on top of it because this is like the back of the head. So just gonna lift the bobbin. Just, I like to put the bump underneath the bobbin so it hold it down. When it's not holding it down, it's a whole lot of stress. Let me just see that. Continue the back stitch. Even though it's coming from all the way over there, but I just like when everything is secure. I like knowing that everything is secure. Cut this before we get there. Yep. You see like, oh, this is open because I just cut it. When you stitch in the middle, then it like all the next thread together again. It's like double secure. And then I also back stitch, so you know that ain't moving. That's not moving. Where did I put that? Scissors. Like scissors and these. It looks like it's gonna make it. Far away. I started videoing because this is like the run part of the head. It's kind of harder to stitch, so you gotta like turn the cap, keep turning the cap. So this is what it looks like so far. Remember, the closure is gonna go here, so I'm gonna stitch some track around here. I'm gonna stop right here, and then I'm gonna use my hand to stitch the rest. Okay, I'm gonna try stitching them a bit slant so I could fill these gaps, and then I'll use my hand to fix anything close to the closure. Is there anything moving in the background, or it's my daughter? She's up now. Just slide it. You okay, mommy? And then baby, let me know. Stitch. Back stitch. Oh, what the hell is going on? Oh, baby, let me know. Remember to cut. Back stitch, stitch forward, back again. Nice. And pull, and pull, and pull, and pull. So this is the amount. I wonder what was doing. So the closure is pinned. I'm gonna go ahead and stitch it. I'm gonna start from the middle, come all the way around, and then I'm gonna start from the middle again to the next side. So I start from the top of the closure. Let me start from the bottom so that the knife is not on top of the closure. Then I'm gonna open this part in two so I could lock it. Put it. So, yep, that's it. I'm gonna do it from the bottom. Then I put it in the middle. Around. Want to make sure you're doing this very tight because you want the closure to lay as flat as possible. So pin it very tight. And you stitch. I'll do it very close to. Through the middle. Pull. Very close. Remember closely so it doesn't have a gap and so it lay flat through the middle. So it's stitching better. I think the thread wasn't straight. Then through the middle. And I'm doing it down in the middle. So as I said, I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm gonna cut it right here, do the next side, and then come back when I'm doing the tracks. Yes, baby.
travel outside of New Rochelle. We never said there was any geographic boundary to New Rochelle. You know, if you said I want to go quarantine in my girlfriend's house in the Hudson Valley, but you have to be quarantined. So we never said any geographic constraints, right? Mandatory quarantine is a scary concept because it sounds like you're saying to people, you can't leave this district. We never did that.
Some reaction to what happened in Rhode Island, where the Democratic governor there is stopping cars without New York plates to stop people from New York coming to her state.
I have heard that. I don't know any details about that. I don't know if anyone does. Does anyone know about it?
This morning, we're going to reach out to June.
But I haven't heard, other than the news reports. Look, you're getting a lot of so, you know, everything with a grain of salt. Sometimes 2 grains of salt. No. Doesn't mean I don't like them.
So this is how it is stitched.
I'm
not even sure if it's recording. Yeah. So it's like right before the closure, not on top of it, not way below it, but right exactly underneath it. Then this wig is finished. I'm just gonna customize it. I'll make a video for that. So I sprayed it with some contour products, so it mixed with water. If you want to see a detailed video on that, comment down below and let me know. Back, very lovely. Yep. And this is the front. It's the closure. You can add makeup to it, but I'm not going anywhere.